Not bad. How are you?
I'm doing alright, bro.
How's it going? Alright, let's see which one is gonna open up. I don't have a particular preference. They all go to the same place and offer the same view for the most part. So let's see, is Polaris open today? Let's see. Oh shoot, it is. Okay, then we're going to Polaris. We will wait. Oh, we have it to ourselves too. Nice. Okay, this used to be a Dover Northwestern. Then Kone modernized them. I imagine they probably had the same fixtures as that parking garage with the armor Dovers. All right, up to Pete. Oh, it's open! Wow! Ooh. Oh, wow. There's the view. Let's get out and take a view. Why don't we? There is viewing south, I believe, from downtown Milwaukee. There you can see there's the Hilton. That used to be some city building, I'm pretty sure. And there's the 3rd Ward over there, and then you can see Lake Michigan. And then there's the US Bank building. But anyway, let's head back down.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I help you?
No, I'm just getting a video.
Oh, okay. We're setting up for a private event up here.
I know, sorry.
No worries.
Yeah, I'm just filming the elevator.
No worries at all.
I thought I was about to get kicked out there. All right, now it's going to take ages because these things tend to be busy. I don't know why only 2 of the 4 service this level, because looks like they would have had space. Oh wait, no, the other 2 are on that side. Then where's the motor room? Wait. Yeah, this is a strange setup here. Oh, looks like here is the old key switch. It's an old Dover key switch. Not armor, so I guess these were not armor Dovers. Jesus, these things take ages. I like this old vintage Braille. It's not Polaris anymore, it's called View, but still, they never bothered to update the labeling in the elevators. And we are still waiting for an elevator. I really don't know why they didn't set it up so that all 4 came, but I'm sure they had some sort of good reason. Or maybe it was just cost cutting, who knows? Here we are. You going down?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't know.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Take care. Oh, you're
No, I'm.
that.
Yep.
I'm just getting a video.
That's okay. It is. It's that kind of wild.
It is an awesome view, so I figure might as well.
And there is an 18 18th, but you can't, well, yeah, there's 18 floors. Then there's the restaurant on the very top, but that's
Yeah.
only for special stuff.
Actually, I was able to get to it, so.
Were you?
Mm-hmm. Usually you're not able to, but I guess today I got lucky and I was able to get a full up and down ride.
Was that the P?
Yeah.
Huh.
Used to be called Polaris, but they changed it to View.
Yeah.
I guess they didn't change the button.
Okay.
Take care.
You too.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, how are you? How are you? Good.
That's it.